So the question I just got is, should people be investing in crypto companies through our platform, or should they be investing in cryptocurrencies that can happen outside of the platform? And really, I split the industry into a few things. So personally, I've been through about six ultra high return waves since I got involved in the industry after speaking at the first Bitcoin conference in the world. The first was Bitcoin itself, which has turned out to be very rewarding. By allowing people to own their own money and spend their own money, it's been very rewarding to the people that actually save it as a store of value as well. Then we got altcoins, where people were looking to do better things, fork off of Bitcoin and create different models. And many scams came from that, but also many ultra high return opportunities came from that. Then you had the equity in the companies, like Bank to the Future was allowing people to invest in the companies of many of the crypto industries. And we had several unicorns, and they became ultra high and valuable returns. Then you had the whole ICO and token boom. And many of the people were investing in Ethereum mining through right at the early days through the platform. And Ethereum produced a very, very high opportunity return. And then they might have also invested in some of the tokens through the platform and benefited from the ICO boom, and we're not sure where that's going to go next. The next wave that came was hard forks, where people were rewarded for owning cryptocurrency by receiving another cryptocurrency when people were trying to do alternative things with it. So if you own Bitcoin, you got Bitcoin Cash, and you could decide whether to hedge, it was free, or to actually convert that into Bitcoin and increase your position, which created another ultra high return opportunity. And now we're at the stage where we're not sure where the token market's going or the securities token market's going, and we're seeing a resurgence towards equity. But my answer to you is that the way BnkToTheFuture.com was designed was allow you to be diversified in many different things. And so we knew that the future of finance looks very different from the past, and that was our investment thesis. We wanted to invest in many different things because we didn't know which companies, cryptos, ICOs, securities tokens were going to fail or going to succeed. And so we looked at putting together a due diligence process whereby we could have good teams, reputable teams that sometimes fail, sometimes get it wrong. But some of those opportunities, the ultra high opportunities that came from this industry. And so the only way, I believe, to actually build wealth in a responsible way is to do it diversified. So you should be diversified across, for example, there's a movement towards equity right now because people want real value and they're fed up of tokens that don't necessarily have intrinsic value beyond those network effects in a bull market. But at the same time, I'm sure those tokens or securities tokens or these cryptocurrencies, when it returns to a bull market, have traditionally outperformed. But then the equity also benefits from the performance of these cryptocurrencies because our equity is supporting the industry. But then during the bear markets, it also becomes something that's backed by a real asset and has more accountability and legals. And then securities tokens are looking to combine the best of the legal protections with some of the benefits of tokens, but we're not sure exactly where that's going to go next. So the only way to do this is to be diversified. It's been the approach that we followed all the way through. And we continue to support new innovation and new technology in this industry. And we will always, whatever we're investing in and whatever we're looking at, we will open up to our network of investors on BnkToTheFuture.com.